PCMag has seen some incredible stuff here at Mobile World Congress in 2025. Every company you could think of is here, showing off concept devices, stuff you could buy later this year, and some stuff you may never see again. Here's a glimpse of some of the best stuff at Mobile World Congress as picked by PCMag's experts. Xiaomi showed off its flagship 15 Ultra phone, which is co-developed by Leica. These two companies formed a partnership in 2022 to bring Leica's camera expertise to the smartphone market. The new Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a 4-camera setup that includes a 200-megapixel periscope lens for extreme zoom capabilities, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto shooter. These cameras use pixel binning to produce 12-megapixel images. This gives your pictures a lot of punch, pulling details out of well-lit and dark subjects. If you know cameras, the periscope lens provides an impressive 200mm focal length equivalent. The device also offers advanced photography tools like Master Portrait Mode and Pro Mode, allowing users to control settings such as ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Video recording is equally well-rounded, supporting 4K at 120 frames per second for cinematic slow motion, 8K at 30 frames per second, and Dolby Vision 4K 60 capture. In addition to the camera, the 15 Ultra has top specs across the board and, of course, a large helping of AI. It has the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 gigabytes or 1 terabyte of storage. The design mirrors last year's model with a big 6.78-inch high-resolution display that can get super bright, 3200 nits. And that's our pick as best flagship phone of the show. At Samsung Display, the company showcased many different concept devices with its flexible screens in hopes that their technology will be built into future products. We saw a folding briefcase display, which is as silly as it is useful. If you need a portable 18-inch OLED, why not carry it around in a Halliburton-style case? It's rugged and portable. There's this folding gaming concept, which makes so much sense. This needs to happen in the future by someone. Imagine big screen gaming in a more portable shape. But the best may be this double folding flip phone. Instead of folding in half, this device bends in 2 spots, leaving part of the display exposed. That part can act as a notification screen or something similar. Plus, without an external display, a folding device could be even thinner since it doesn't need to feature a second screen. How many different ways can a laptop be used? Lenovo is pushing the limits with its latest concept. The ThinkBook Flip AI is another take on a folding screen laptop with a slightly different twist on things. As the name suggests, this device is all about flipping screens. And the big surprise? One massive display when fully extended. The laptop screen can grow into one straight-up vertical 18.1-inch panel, making for a lot of digital screen real estate for a relatively small laptop body. But the screen can also fold in half back over the top of the device, so the second screen faces outward to someone sitting across from you. The ThinkBook Flip essentially has 3 screen configurations, 2 individual displays, one measuring about 13 inches, the other slightly under 13 inches. When combined, they form an enormous 18.1-inch screen. Lenovo has also integrated an LED-powered touchpad with built-in macro shortcuts. While the icons themselves are predefined by Lenovo, their functions are customizable. This is similar to what other companies have done using LED touchpads for calculators and extra functions. Here, you can play videos, open a calculator, customize shortcuts, and of course, switch back to a traditional touchpad as needed. Will we see this in a retail product someday? Maybe, but either way, it's an innovative idea that pushes the boundaries of laptop design. That was just the tip of the iceberg. For more, check out PCMag.com for our full MWC coverage. What was your favorite thing from the show? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.